In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps of customizing MS Word ribbon. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. So this is the way to do it. Just head over to your search bar, type here to search or ask me anything and type MS Word. The first point I'm going to share with you is how to be able to pin the ribbon. Just head over to Home tab over here. There is this kind of an icon on the right side at the top over here, so you just need to point on it and click on it once. And now when you get to your working area, the ribbon or the menu bar will not disappear anymore. Now exactly how to make the ribbon disappear, you just need again to head over to this particular icon here that says collapse the ribbon and just click on it, and when you get to your working area, the ribbon will disappear all over again. So on to the second point. Now here you can be able to see the Home tab, Insert, Design, Page Layout, References, Mailings, Review and View. These here are the tabs on the word processing program. Now if you want to get rid of any of these tabs here, you just need to head over to File, head over to Options, and then now you'll be able to see this window pop up. Head over to Customize Ribbon. And now from this section here, you can be able to see all the other commands. And here you can be able to see all the main tabs. You have the Home, Insert, Design, Page Layout. From this section, you can be able to add or even remove a tab. For example, I can be able to see on my tab over here at the top, I have got all the tabs that I would need. To remove any of these tabs, you just need to head over to the tab that you want to remove and uncheck the box. For example, I would want to remove the Design tab. You just need to head over to this box here and uncheck the box. After that, there is an OK button here. Just head over it and press OK, and the Design tab here will be removed. To undo this, just head over again back to File, Options. On this Customize ribbon over here, you can be able to see that the design is not selected, so just again check the box over here and then press OK down here, and then the Design tab will appear all over again in this particular section. Now on to the next point. I'm going to take you through on how to add shortcut commands in the quick access toolbar in this particular program. Now the quick access toolbar commands allow users to quickly access frequently used functions like saving, undoing, redoing, opening documents, or even printing without having to navigate through the menus. To do this, just head over to your File again, Options, head over to quick access toolbar here, and now you can be able to see all the popular commands. Here they are. Now on this section, we do not have currently added commands. So for example, I would want to add a command for saving my document. So just head over to this save command here, just point and click on it, and on this section just click on add. The other kind of command that I'm going to need is the one for redo. Just head over to redo, click again on add to be able to add on this section. And now if I can be able to redo, I can also need the command for undo. Just head over to undo down here at the second last command over here and then add. So just allow me to look for another command here that we can be able to add on this other section, that is print, preview and print. So just click on it and add on it again, and now you can be able to see all my 4 commands here that are save, redo, undo, print, review and print. So just head over to OK, and your commands will be able to appear here on the upper ribbon. Now you can be able to see them. If I need to save my document, I don't just have to head over to File, but I can just click on this particular command here, click on save, and it still gives me the same function. If I want, of course, again to undo, I can always use these 2 buttons to undo and redo. For example, I would want to press enter over here, and when I get to undo, now you can see that my cursor goes back to the end of my text here. The other one is also for redo. You can be able to see it when I redo, it also gets back. to here. The other section that you can also be able to navigate through the quick access toolbar is this particular section that you see here on the drop down icon. So this one you can also be able to add and even remove commands. For example, if I wanted to remove the save command, I just need to point on save right here. When I click on it, you can be able to see that the save has been removed. To add it again, head over again, still back to the drop down menu, and now you can be able to see here it is. When I click on it, it is again now added. Now this also section, the quick access toolbar, we can also be able to move it from this section to this other one by just pointing on this section and picking the option for show quick access toolbar below the ribbon. So when I select this one, the quick access toolbar will be moved down here at the ribbon. To take it back again above the ribbon, you just need to point over it, then right click to retrieve a command for show quick access toolbar above the ribbon, and it will still move to this other section. So that is it for part 1 of this video. Kindly stay tuned for part 2. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss any of my tutorial videos.